নমস্কার, শুভ সন্ধ্যা. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you on this truly special and lovely evening. As autumn sets in and trees begin to shed their leaves, the vibrant spirit of Durga Puja once again graces the earth. This is not just a festival, it is a celebration of culture, devotion, and community, bringing us all together in unity and joy. Durga Puja is much more than a religious occasion. It is a vibrant expression of our heritage. From the colorful Rangoli Alpona, the amazing pandals, to the soul-stirring sounds of dhak, ulu and shak, every detail reflects the rich tradition of Bengal. With the early morning fragrance of siuli flowers, scattered like blessings on dew-kissed grass, and the sight of Kasful swaying like white waves in golden fields, nature herself joins in welcoming Ma Durga. These gentle signs of the season stir nostalgia and signal the arrival of the goddess, invoking deep emotion in every Bengali's heart. In 2021, Durga Puja received global recognition when UNESCO declared it an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. A proud moment for all of us. This evening and throughout the festival, you will witness cultural performances in music, dance, painting, and drama, all celebrating the artistic soul of Bengal. Some of the pandals also recreate the beloved Bengali tea stall spirit, Cha Adda, where conversation flow freely over endless cups of tea. Durga Puja also reminds us the importance of giving back. Many of the organizing committees support charitable causes, reflecting the true spirit of community that goes beyond celebration. With heartfelt worship, vibrant culture, the delicate scent of siuli, the graceful beauty of Kasful, and the taste of authentic Bengali cuisine, Durga Puja 2025 promises to be a truly unforgettable celebration of our Indian heritage. Let the celebration begin.
Agumoni is a traditional Bengali festival that marks the beginning of the Durga Puja celebration. The word Agumoni translates to arrival, symbolizing the goddess Durga's descent to earth. Agumoni not only prepares devotees for Durga Puja, but also reinforces cultural identity, fostering a sense of belonging and community spirit. As the beats of dhak echo through the autumn air and fragrance of siuli flowers fills our hearts, we invite you to immerse yourself in the divine aura of Durga Puja with our cultural program, Agumoni, the divine arrival, Matri Rupeno Sangasthita.
नमस्ते शरण्ये शिवे सानुकम् जगत व्यापिके विश्वरूपे नमस्ते जगत वंदापादारविंदे नमस्ते जगत्तारिणी त्राहि दुर्गे। तुलिया कुसुम काथिया माला चलियाछे गिरिबासिनी बाला अधर भरिया मुखेर हासिते मातिया सुखेर गाने मुखे एकटिओ नाहिको बाणी शब्द चकिता मेनका रानी तृषित नयने आकुल हृदये चाहिया पथेर पाने आज मेनकार आदरिणी उमा आशिबे बरस परे।
Ma Durga, the eternal Shakti, descends to earth to light the lamp of wisdom, to banish the darkness, and to bless humanity with her strength and grace.
Na
sound of conches sings of auspiciousness, heralding the arrival of Divine Mother, a presence that embodies grace, protection, and reverence. The vast oceans roar in harmony, while the 7 notes rise together, creating an atmosphere of grandeur and bliss. The conch shells resound in devotion.
শঙ্খধ্বনির মঙ্গল সুরে মাতৃ আগমনের বার্তা, শিউলি সুবাসে ভরে ওঠে আকাশ বাতাস, 7 সুরের সঙ্গমে গর্জে ওঠে সাগর, আনন্দে উৎসবে আবাহনে মগ্ন আজ সারা বিশ্ব।